This is when the front door. It has one little step up into the apartment. And then there's my big Berkey, which I'm very glad brought with me. Here's my kitchen. So it's actually quite modern for Mexico. It's been redone. This whole place has been renovated. I used to think that this everything cooked really slowly here, but it was just because I was cooking on crappy stoves. So this is an excellent stove. It's a Whirlpool. It's got an oven, and it just works like a charm. It's great. I've got this little cubby hole here, which I will eventually, all these things will go into the pantry space, which there's plenty of covered space. Some of it's a little high for me, so I'll have to get a step stool. But I do have excellent storage space here. There's my massage table, and I've moved all the furniture around so that I have this open space here because this is where I'll be working. But it's a kind of a professional looking space. That was the dining room table, but now it's become my desk. We've got these kind of executive chairs and that bag underneath the table will go. I just moved in on Friday. This is Sunday morning. So I've got this big, beautiful window here, and this is going to get filled with plants. There's a good ledge that I will do a bunch of maybe like an avocado tree, lemon tree, lime tree. There's lots of that. You can see how close the sidewalk is. Someone just walked by. Sometimes there's horses that go up and down this street, so that's pretty cool. And then we come in here, and I have really great space for clothing. Right now my suitcases are still here, but they're going to go up in this cupboard right up here. They will fit, I've measured, so all of them will go up there. Anything else I don't want or use often is going to go up in the other ones. There's lots for my dirty laundry. I bought this bag in Oaxaca, and I've been using it. Very sturdy. It's made of plastic. Will last forever. It's got a venting into the bedroom, which is a good idea. And you can close that if you want for sound or privacy. And here's the bedroom. Again, it's kind of like an executive hotel. Like, it's been tastefully done by Mexican standards. It's not a hodgepodge of everything. There's lots of mirrors to make it feel bigger. I do have, I didn't close that door fully, but I do have more storage here. This is the one thing that was in the way in the other room. It's now in my bedroom, but it will fit where those suitcases are. So once the suitcases go up, that table's going to go there, and it'll be out of my way in the bedroom. I'll get a nice shoe rack kind of thing for these, and then here's the bathroom. So again, it's all been redone. Sometimes in Mexico, the sinks and the taps are really grubby. They're really old. Again, I have lots of storage here. And another nice thing about this place is the water's pressurized. So you get really good good pressure of water. And sometimes it's just dripping down from the where it's been the holding tank on the roof. So the pressure's not great, but this is pressurized. It's a nice big clean shower, and the hot water is good here too. So yesterday I take pretty quick showers, but yesterday I didn't run out of hot water. The other place I was at, you had to kind of get in, get out as fast as you could. I often would wet my hair in the cold water and then get in when the hot water started, and I'd have about a minute to to finish. So there's some nice lighting. That lamp gives a nice glow. Same in the bedroom. In the bedroom, they have these lamps have outlets at the back here. So there's my little night light, which I'm so glad I brought from Canada. I've used that a lot. And I can plug in my computer there and recharge. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the place. The one drawback is that this is a south-facing window. It does let in a lot of heat. During the day, I do what my mother used to do, open all the windows at night, let the cool air in. During the day, close all the curtains, keep the heat out. And I'll need to do that for the Ayurvedic massage so people have privacy until I get I plan for that window to be pretty full of plants. I'll get another plant for to cover this little mess in here with the modem, and there's a TV there that I'm never gonna watch. I don't watch TV. So there's also a nice little drawer in the desk here, which was the dining room table, and all of my electrical stuff can go in there. So. And the electrical outlets actually make sense in this place. So whoever renovated it, the whole house is lovely. Definitely did a good job of that. There's a little ventilation for the shower there to let the humidity out. So that's my little place. I will get a rug to work on down here. This couch actually pulls out. So if anyone wants to come and visit, I'll sleep here and you can have my bed. And this will be a great place to work on the floor too once I get a cushiony under padding, a rug, and a Thai massage mat. Right now I'm doing Thai massage on the table. So this will come out and set up here, and that's going to work fine for now. So that's my place in my first apartment in Mexico. I may not stay here for long, but I've got great walk-by traffic here. It's going to be really good for business. When I open the door, it opens in, and you can see there's this step here. There's a couple of steps coming up. Right down the road here, at the end of the street, is the Centro area, and people walk by here all the time. And so I will put like a sandwich board right there, and I can bring it in when I need to go out, and that can stay out there, and something in the window too, and that will advertise my business. So anyway, that's my place.